Today I'll be solving case study 29 from the handbook. The same question is fetched from computer application for BCom 6th semester, page number 181 to 183. Authors are Sanakhi and Baradar. Mayur Shop is reseller of kirana and grocery items. The following table shows only few items they transact. Kind of item, stock category, company or brand, stock group, stock item, purchase unit, sale unit, rate of purchase and rate of sale. We have to provide opening entries for cash and bank account. We have to create cost centers, cost categories, stock groups, stock items, godowns, simple units of measure, compound units of measure, and as well as alternate units of measure. Down we have the transactions. Before we begin, we shall create a new company for this particular case study. From Gateway of Tally, press Alt and function key F3. This will take us to Company Info menu. Select Create Company. Press Enter key. Company Creation window. Enter the name. Mayur Shop. Mailing name will remain same. Enter the address. Statutory compliance for country India. State type K. Select for Karnataka. PIN code, telephone number, email can be entered. Later we have currency symbol. Maintain type of company. Select accounts with inventory because we have transactions which are pertaining with both accounting and as well as inventory. Financial year for this case study will be 2013-14. 1/4/2013. Books beginning also we will take it same. Remaining parameters will remain as default except press Y from the keyboard. We will be back with Company Info menu. To go back to Gateway of Tally, press Escape. To close the other company from Gateway of Tally, press Alt and function key F1. Select the company and that will be closed. As per the question given, we have to provide opening entry for the cash, which is a predefined account head in Tally. And later we have to create a bank account and we have to enter the opening balance. Let's go back to Tally. Gateway of Tally, Masters, Accounts Info, Ledgers, Alter for cash. Enter the opening balance 2,50,000. Accept, press Y from the keyboard. Escape to come back. Ledgers menu. Create bank account. This will be allocated under the group bank accounts. Mailing details like name, account number, address, state, PIN code can be entered. Opening balance for this particular account head will be 50,000. Before we go for saving this particular account head, we have a difference of 3 lakh. For this difference, we can create a capital account and this difference can be entered over there. As per the case study question, it is not mentioned. We will stick to the question and we are not creating it. Except press Y from the keyboard. Escape to come out. Escape once again. Escape, we are back with Gateway of Tally. First transaction, 1st of April. Purchased Parle-G 20 box and Crackjack 10 box from Marvel Distributors. We have to create stock category biscuits, stock group Parle products, stock item Parle-G, Crackjack, compound units of measure 1 box of 20 pack, 1 box of 10 pack, alternate units of measure PK. 1 PK is equals to 1 pack. We will be back with Tally. From Gateway of Tally, transactions, accounting vouchers, and this transaction has to be recorded under the purchase voucher 1st of April 2013. Party's account name has to be created here. Alt C to create Marvel Distributors. This has to be allocated under the group Sundry Creditors. Maintain balances bill by bill, yes. Remaining parameters we are not entering. In that case, we can save and quit back. Press Ctrl A. Enter supplier details, address, sales tax number. Later we have to go for creating purchase account by pressing Alt C. Purchase account. This has to be allocated under the group purchase accounts. Except press Y from the keyboard. Create a stock item, press Alt C. This will take us to stock item creation secondary window. But right now here we have to activate stock category and as well as alternate units of measure. First we will activate stock category by pressing function key F11. Inventory features, storage and classification, maintain stock categories. Press Y from the keyboard. Accept, press Y from the keyboard. Later we have to activate alternate units of measure by pressing function key F12. Inventory masters. Use alternate units for stock item. Press Y from the keyboard. Name of the stock item. Parle-G. Alias is optional. Under the group Parle products, press Alt C. This will take us to stock group creation secondary window. Parle products. Alias is optional. Under primary, can quantities of items be added? Default is no. Suppose if all the items under this group is measured with the same units of measure, then we can make it yes. But right now we will keep it this one as no. Accept, press Y from the keyboard. Next we have to create stock category by pressing Alt C. This will take us to stock category creation secondary. Enter biscuits under primary except press Y from the keyboard. Later we have to go for creating compound units of measure. Alt C to create. Backspace. Select for compound. Alt C to create. Box. Formal name is optional. Except press Y from the keyboard. Box of 20 pack. 20. Second unit has to be created. Alt C to create. Pack. Formal name optional. Except press Y from the keyboard. Box of 20 pack. Except press Y from the keyboard. Alternate units of measure has to be created. That will be PK. Alt C to create. Backspace. Select simple. PK. Except press Y from the keyboard. 1 PK is equals to 1 pack. Except press Y from the keyboard. Parle-G. Quantity 20 box. First number represents box. Second number represents pack. Rate per box we have to enter here. Rate per box is 90. Later we have to go for creating the other stock item by pressing Alt C. Stock item creation secondary window. Crackjack. Alias is optional. This has to be allocated under the group Parle products. Category biscuits. Box of 10 pack has to be created for this one. Alt C to create. Backspace. Compound. Box of 10 pack. Except press Y from the keyboard. PK alternate units of measure. 1 PK is equals to 1 pack. Except press Y from the keyboard. Quantity. Enter 10 box. First number represents box. Second number represents pack. Rate per box is 55. Enter. Type the narration. Except press Y from the keyboard. Second transaction. April 2nd. Purchased Marigold 10 box and Good Day 5 box from Marvel Distributors. Stock group Britannia has to be created and this has to be recorded under purchase voucher. Change the date. Function key F2. 2nd of April 2013. Purchase transaction. Party's account name will be Marvel Distributors. Purchase account. Name of the item has to be created by pressing Alt C. We are back with stock item creation secondary window. Type Marigold. Alias is optional and for this we have to go for creating a group by pressing Alt C. Stock group creation secondary window. Type Britannia. Alias is optional. Primary. Can quantities of items be added? Let it be no. Press Y from the keyboard. Stock category, select for biscuits. Units of measure, box of 10 pack. Alternate units will be PK. 1 PK is equals to 1 pack. Accept, press Y from the keyboard. Quantity is 10 box. First number represents box, second number represents pack. Suppose if we require 20 box and 5 pack, in that case it has to be entered this way. 20-5. 20 box, 5 pack. But as per the question given, we have to enter only 10 box. Rate per box is 95 rupees. Later we have to go for creating the next item, that is Good Day. Press Alt C. This will take us to stock item creation secondary window. Type Good Day. Alias is optional. Select for group Britannia. Category biscuits. Box of 10 pack. Alternate units will be PK. 1 PK is equals to 1 pack. Then accept, press Y from the keyboard. Enter the quantity, 5 box. Rate per box will be 110. Enter. Type the narration. Accept, press Y from the keyboard. Next transaction, 3rd of April, purchased Basmati Premium 5 bags and Basmati Gold 3 bags from Shri Wholesalers. This particular transaction has to be recorded under purchase voucher. From this transaction onwards, we are skipping the date while recording in Tally. Apart from that, we have to create stock category rice and stock group will be India Gate. As well as we have to create compound units of measure, bag of 25 pouch and alternate unit will be PCH. Let's go back to Tally for recording this particular transaction. Purchase voucher. Party's account name has to be created. It's not required that we have to go back to Gateway of Tally, Masters, Accounts Info. From accounting voucher creation window also, we can create the head by pressing Alt C to create. This will take us to ledger creation secondary window. Type the name Shri Wholesalers. Alias is optional and this will be allocated under the group Sundry Creditors. Maintain balances bill by bill, yes, and we are not filling remaining parameters. In that case, we can save and quit back by pressing Ctrl A. Supplier details like address and sales tax number can be entered. Purchase account. Later we have to go for creating stock item. We can create stock item from accounting voucher creation window. It is not required that we have to go back to Gateway of Tally, Masters and Inventory Info. To create stock item, press Alt C. This will take us to stock item creation secondary window. Type the name Basmati Premium. Alias is optional and this has to be allocated under the group India Gate that has to be created by pressing Alt C. This will take us to stock group creation secondary. Type India Gate. Alias is optional and later accept, press Y from the keyboard. Category we have to create here rice. Press Alt C to create. Rise alias optional, accept, press Y from the keyboard. Later we have to go for creating compound units of measure, bag of 25 pouch. Press Alt C. Simple backspace, select for compound. Bag is not available in the list. We have to go for creating. Press Alt C to create bag. Press Y from the keyboard. 25. Second unit we have to create, that will be pouch. Pouch is not available in the list. We have to go for creating by pressing Alt C. Pouch. Accept, press Y from the keyboard. Bag of 25 pouch. Accept, press Y from the keyboard. Later we have to create here alternate units, that will be PCH. PCH is not available in the list. We have to create by pressing Alt C. Backspace, select simple PCH. Accept, press Y from the keyboard. 1 PCH is equals to 1 pouch. Accept, press Y from the keyboard. Enter the quantity 5 bags. The first number represents bag, second number represents pouch. Suppose if we require 8 bags and 5 pouch, in that case it has to be entered this way: 8-5. This indicates here 8 bags, 5 pouches. This will come around 205 PCH. But as per the question mentioned, we have to take only 5 bags. Rate per bag has to be entered. That will be 1,250. Next we have to go for creating the next stock item, that will be Basmati Gold. To create this one, press Alt C. Basmati Gold. Alias is optional and this has to be allocated under the group India Gate. Category will be rice. Bag of 25 pouch. Alternate PCH. 1 PCH is equals to 1 pouch. Accept, press Y from the keyboard. Quantity is 3 bags. Rate per bag is 1500. And we can see down the total here. Quantity and total. Type the narration, then accept, press Y from the keyboard. Next transaction, pay to Marvel Distributors rupees 2,500. This has to be recorded under payment voucher. To go back to payment voucher, press function key F5. Debit Marvel Distributors 2,500. Enter. This will take us to bill-wise details for Marvel. Against the reference, this will track purchase voucher number 1 and 2. 2,350 against the reference, purchase voucher number 2. For remaining, credit, cash, 2,500. Type the narration, accept, press Y from the keyboard. Next transaction, sold 20 packs of Parle-G and 10 packs of Crackjack. It's in the form of cash sale transaction. This can be recorded either under sales voucher or receipt voucher. Let's go back to tally. Press function key F8. Sales voucher. Parties account name, select cash, and here we have to go for creating sales account by pressing Alt C. Sales account. This has to be allocated under the group sales accounts. Accept, press Y from the keyboard. Name of the item is Parle-G. Quantity is of 20 packs, 0-20. Rate per pack is 5 rupees. Box will come. Manually we have to type pack. The amount will be changed later. Enter. Crackjack. Quantity 10 pack, 0-10. Rate per pack is 6. Box will come. Change this to pack by typing. Later the amount will be changed. Enter. Enter. Type the narration. Accept. Press Y from the keyboard. Next transaction. Paid salary of month to Ramu of rupees 2000 and Chamu of rupees 1500. This has to be recorded under payment voucher, but for this particular transaction we have to create cost centers Ramu and Chamu, cost category employee. Let's back with tally. Press function key F5. This will take us to payment voucher. Before we go for creating a ledger account, we shall do the activation for cost category and cost center by pressing function key F11. This will take us to accounting features, cost or profit centers management, maintain cost centers, press Y. Then more than one payroll or cost category, press Y. Accept, press Y from the keyboard. Later here we have to go for creating a ledger account, salary account. To create this one, press Alt C. Salary account, alias is optional and this has to be allocated under the group indirect expenses. Later, cost centers are applicable for this particular account head? Yes. Then accept, press Y from the keyboard. 2000 plus 1500, it will be around 3500. Enter. This will take us to cost allocation for salary account. Here we have to create cost category and cost center. To create this one, press Alt C. This will take us to cost category creation secondary window. Type employee. Alias is optional. Allocate revenue items. Default is S. This is used to allocate all sales, purchase, expenses and income related transactions to cost centers. Next, allocate non-revenue items. Default is no. This is used to allocate transactions related to capital or non-revenue in nature. Enter, accept, press Y from the keyboard. Later we have to go for creating cost center. Press Alt C to create. Cost center creation secondary. Select category employee. Name of the cost center will be Ramu. Alias is optional. accept Y from the keyboard. 2000. Later we have to create Chamu, press Alt C. Category employee, name Shamu. Under primary, accept, press Y from the keyboard. Remaining 1500 will be allocated to Shamu. Credit, cash. Type the narration, accept Y from the keyboard. Next transaction, sold 30 packs of Marigold and 10 packs of Good Day, which is in the form of cash sale transaction, which can be recorded either in sales voucher or receipt voucher. Press function key F8. This will take us to sales voucher. Party's account name, select cash. Sales account, name of the item is Marigold. Quantity is 30 packs, 0-30. This will come back to 3 box, 30 pack. The first number represents box, the second number represents pack. Suppose if we require 3 box and 5 pack, in that case, this has to be entered this way. 3-5. 35 pack. But as per the question given, we have to mention here 30 pack, 0-30. Rate per pack is 10 rupees. Box will come. This has to be changed to pack. Later the amount will be changed. The next one is Good Day. Quantity is 10 pack, 0-10. Rate per pack is 12 rupees. Box will come. Later this has to be changed to pack. Later the amount will be changed. Here we can see the total amount. Type the narration, accept, press Y from the keyboard. Next, sold 3 pouches of Basmati Premium and 2 pouches of Basmati Gold. Even this also can be recorded either under sales or receipt voucher. Sales voucher. Party's account name, select cash. Sales account, name of the item Basmati Premium. Quantity is of 3 pouches, 0-3. First number represents bag, the second number represents pouch. Rate per pouch is 70. Bag will come. This has to be changed to pouch. Later the amount will be changed. The next one is Basmati Gold. Quantity is of 2 pouches, 0-2. Rate per pouch is 80 rupees. Bag will come. Later this has to be changed to pouch. The amount will be changed. Enter. Type the narration. Accept. Press Y from the keyboard. Next transaction. Paid monthly rent to Godown A of rupees 3000 and Godown B of rupees 4000 by check. This has to be recorded under payment voucher. Apart from that, even we have to create cost centers, Godown A and Godown B. Cost category will be hiring. Press function key F5. This will take us to payment voucher. Debit rent account has to be created here. Press Alt C to create. This will take us to ledger creation secondary. Rent account. This has to be allocated under the group indirect expenses. Cost centers are applicable? Yes. Accept. Press Y from the keyboard. Debit amount 3000 plus 4000, it will be 7000. Enter 7000. Enter. Cost allocations for rent account. Here we have to create cost category and even cost center. Press Alt C to create. This will take us to cost category creation secondary. Type hiring. Alias is optional. Allocate revenue items yes. Non-revenue items no. Accept. Press Y from the keyboard. Name of the cost center. This has to be created. Alt C to create. Select hiring cost category. Name Godown A. Alias is optional. Accept. Press Y from the keyboard. Enter the amount 3000. Alt C to create. Hiring category Godown B. Accept. Press Y from the keyboard. 4000. Credit bank 7000. Type the narration. Accept. Press Y from the keyboard. Last transaction. Paid to Sri Wholesalers rupees 3750. This has to be recorded under the payment voucher. Payment voucher. Debit Sri Wholesalers 3750. Against the reference, this will track purchase voucher number 3. Credit cash 3750. Type the narration. Accept. Press Y from the keyboard. Now we have to create godowns. We are creating these godowns after all the transactions because while recording the transaction, it's not mentioned where the stock items are to be allocated in which godown. Right now, we are just creating it. Now, let's go back to Tally. From Gateway of Tally, press function key F11. This will take us to company features. Select inventory features. Inventory features, storage and classification. Maintain multiple godowns. Change this one to S. Later, accept. Press Y from the keyboard. Back to Gateway of Tally. Masters, inventory info. Inventory info menu. Godowns. Single godown, create. Godown A and Godown B. Godown creation window, name Godown A, alias is optional. Under primary, accept Y. Next one, Godown B, accept. Press Y from the keyboard. This completes the case study. Stay safe, stay healthy, happy learning. Have a nice day.